Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix sorry there was a problem with your request Instagram login problem Android and iOS. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click Instagram, click storage use, click clear data, then click OK. Click force stop, click search Instagram, if you get any updates please update. Then search Super VPN, click install, open VPN, select don't show again. Click this icon, select US server, click connect, select always allow, open Instagram, then click continue. Thanks for watching.